Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week, Monday 20th of September 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market today and help my traders to bank amazing profit and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig straight to the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD in 4-hour chart, we had such a nice, beautiful short trade on Friday. You can see here most of the traders banked beautiful pips. If you haven't seen my last week analysis video, the link is given in the video description. Today, to be honest, we were looking at the pullback at this level, but we haven't seen any pullback. But at the New York session, we have taken a long trade here as a counter, and some of the traders are still holding it. And let me explain to you in 4-hour why I'm saying to. If you look at here, price nicely hit. This is the blue line, that is the monthly support line. So previously, as you can see here, price nicely respected. And if you look at the intraday, we have double bottom is developed. Let me make it slightly bigger. You can see here double bottom, and explain to my trader, look for this breakout and beautiful long trade here, bang few pippies. And based on the analysis, let me share with you, that's the only analysis I did the New York session. Otherwise we were looking at short, but price did not reverse, and this is the only trade we had it on EURUSD and bang few pippies. Let me share with you pound. We had a quite interesting trade today. If you look at here, we had such a nice, beautiful short trade. If you look at the pound dollar from last week when the price broke in the previous low, we had such a nice, beautiful short trade here. And we had a quite interesting trades on pound dollar, as you can see here. And I did this analysis at the market just after the market open. I explained to my trader, every time when the price is going to hit the orange EMA or at this level, previous higher, then take a pullback short trade here, because we have very strong bearish momentum. As you can see here, price nicely respected once and twice pullback, and that's what we explain. As soon as the price is about to hit this red fib channel, that's what we explain to trader, it's time to enjoy profit. So this is the trade we had it last night and banked beautiful pip this morning. And at the London morning session, as you can see here, after once we bank some profit, as always, price developed a double bottom here, and at the major resist support level, as you can see here, we had such a nice, beautiful counter long trade here. As soon as the price hit this level, explain to my trader, it's time to bank some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. And afterwards, because we were looking this breakout, as you can see here, price keep respecting now in the range. So we had one small trade here. Most of the trades I've taken, I think, probably not sure if it's going to continue, but that's the short trade they have taken it. And explain to my trader, it's time to consider tightening a stop loss if they have taken it. So that was the short trade on pound dollar. Right now, still looking, the price has broken this one. That's the analysis. And if you look at here, after the breakouts, look like the price is after the breakout respecting it, and then probably is going to be continue short here. So we'll let you know tomorrow, and still looks promising short trade here. Let me share with you the pound dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had amazing trade, guys, very amazing. It's now they're holding a long here, and let me explain to you, we were long and we were short, and now again long. And let me share with you, if you look at the 4-hour, we had a counter short trade at this level, very small counter. We were long, by the way, from this as soon as the market opened, we were long here, and then we had a very small counter short trade here. Then again we were long here, bank beautiful pips, and then we were short here, and now we are long here. So how I analyzed, because if you look at in the 4-hour, the price nicely hit the big psychological number, almost big psychological number. And then as soon as the price came back here, we knew that the price might going to reverse, and that's why we're looking here pullback. But while the price is reversing it, we have taken a counter short trade here. Let me explain to you guys how I analyze market. This here in intraday and bank amazing profit. Most of the traders really enjoyed it, dollar CAD, guys. Let me share with you the all analysis of intraday. And if you look at here, this is the first analysis. This is the first analysis. As soon as the market opened, we had some nice big move, and explained to my trader, look for this pullback at this 4 hour. So we have one pullback, as you can see here, one pullback, and afterwards another pullback, and the target was the red fib channel, and that's what we explained to trader. It's time to enjoying some profit. So we basically had a long trade at the Asian session and banked beautiful pips until London morning. Amazing trade. And afterwards, as you can see here, I did another analysis for counter short trade here. And the reason why, you can see here, price respected this level, and the most important thing is in 4 hours the price was at this level. So, and the price keep respecting it. We had a counter short trade here, which technically we came out of the break even. Some of the traders banked few pippies, and then afterwards, as soon as the price developed at this, let me explain to you, at this level double bottom, that's what I explained to my trader. Look here, guys, we have another wedge has been developed, so look for another, because the momentum is very strong bullish. So we say, okay, we can have another trade here, and the target would be again that fib channel. As you can see, beautiful breakout, bank beautiful fibs. And afterward, as soon as the price came back here, I said, guys, look for another pullback. We had this bank some profit. Now looking here at this pullback here, and safest trade, look for this wedge breakout. What happened here? You can see here, beautiful, another pullback based on the momentum. Again, fib channel, right? Nicely hit target. So we were keep enjoying it. Pullback long trade on pound dollar CAD, beautiful trade. So once we bank some profit, and at the New York session, you can see here price reverse, and I explained to my trader, look at the price action. If I explain to my trader, if the price is going to break this level, taking a short, or if the price is going to break this level, then long here. More likely, if you look at the bottom, momentum was bearish, and explain to trader, more likely is going to break, because in order to price continue, price need to reverse a little bit. And these are the price support level we are looking. You can see here, price nicely broken, and as soon as the price was about to break, I explained to my trader, guys, take another short trade here, counter short trade, beautiful. Our target was the first target, nicely hit, second target, nicely hit. Once the price was at this level, I also updated, guys, I think we need a one more push, then probably after that price might going to reverse. And as you can see here, then I did another analysis just to help my traders. Look for this one. If you have another breakout, as soon as the price hit this level, 200 EMA, explain to my trader, consider banking some pips, and let's wait for the market. We had an amazing trade. You can see here in the morning, long, afternoon, short, bank beautiful pips. And afterward, I explained to my trader, price nicely hit to the 200 EMA in our intraday system. So the price nicely finished one cycle, probably is going to continue. And that's what I did, another analysis instantly. As you can see here, this is the analysis. Look for this breakout. If the price is going to break the previous high, we're going to take a long trade here. As you can see here, still price going up, and the first target, it would be this blue fib channel. Let's see how that's gonna go. But if you look at here, we had such a nice beautiful short long trade here, and the short trade here on dollar CAD. So today it was the first trading day of the week. Most of the traders really enjoying pipping, especially the dollar CAD. Really amazing trade. We had a beautiful trades even in pound yen, pound Swiss franc. We had a very amazing trades, breakout trades. We really enjoyed it. Short trade here, even some of the traders are still holding this short trade here. And let me share with you the quickly pound Swiss franc. You can see here, this is the analysis we did London morning session. Beautiful breakout short trade here, and at the New York session we have another wedge breakout, beautiful short trade here. Some of the traders are still holding it. Let's see. But technically the profit target hit. So you can see, guys, we had such an amazing day today. As you can see, 29 analysis, beautiful. Most of them you can see consider banking some pips. If you look at the pound yen, that was a beautiful breakout. That was the analysis at the market open. I said, guys, more likely look for short, momentum is bearish. And I explained to my trader, keep taking every pullback. You can see here, whenever the market break the major structure, so we can see very strong bearish, then all the pullback towards the momentum and the trend is a high probability trade. So you can see we really enjoy today. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. And as always mentioned, guys, the most important thing is you should watch this analysis in real time. That's the interesting part of it, where you can bank pips in real time. And the most interesting is you can develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis in real time. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can help you to get funded from prop firms. If you are interested how I help my traders and coach and train with the live market through this platform, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given at the bottom. Myself or one of my professional member of team will help you how you can become a successful trader and get funded. Even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Until next time, all the best.